The Voyager program was conceived as a grand tour of the solar system. It was actually an engineer at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory that realized in the late 70s there was going to be a golden opportunity. And that was because the planets were all going to more or less line up on one side of the sun. And that's really important when you're trying to explore one planet after another, because of course, all the planets in the solar system are orbiting independently. And sometimes we're on, say, the same side of the sun as Jupiter is, and sometimes Jupiter is way on the other side of the sun from us, many, many, many billions of miles away. So there was this time coming in the late 70s when you could launch a spacecraft and it could actually go to Jupiter, but then on to Saturn, because they were both on the same side of the sun. And you could even possibly get Uranus and Neptune and maybe even Pluto. And so at first people started saying, okay, let's see if we could actually design some spacecraft that would be up to this sort of grand tour of the solar system. And this was the Voyager program, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. And this has still been really the only chance we've gotten a good look at those two outer planets that we now call the ice giants, the cold giants, Uranus and Neptune. And they've now moved out beyond that into what you could say is actually interstellar space, space between the stars. And over the last couple of years, we've been following them through this transition truly out of the range of our solar system.